Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another one live session about CDP subject related topic Howard Gardner theory of multiple intelligence. So this is also very important for your TET or ctet exam. In previous class we have discussed about Spearman's two-factor theory. So this is also intelligence theory. Okay, so it is well known as multiple intelligence, propounded by Howard Gardner. He said that intelligence is not one single ability; it is many different abilities. Okay, it has many different abilities. That's called multiple intelligence. Multiple intelligence. So he identified 8 types of intelligence. 8 types. So among them, first one is very important, linguistic intelligence. Linguistic is related to language. Okay, so some are smart, some are brilliant in language. Ability to use language effectively. That's called linguistic intelligence. Example, good in reading, writing, storytelling, speaks clearly, learns language easily. All these are the examples related to linguistic intelligence. Some are writing in good, some are reading good, storytelling, speaks. Okay, language learning. So these are the very effective performances are related to linguistic intelligence. Example, a child who writes poems. They are showing interest in writing poems. It shows which intelligence? Linguistic intelligence. Linguistic intelligence. Story writing or poems writing. Logical, second one, logical mathematical intelligence means number, logic, smart. Ability to reason, think logically, solve problems. This is a second type of intelligence. Example, good in maths, then enjoys puzzles, experiments, finds patterns. These are related to logic and mathematical intelligence. A child who quickly solve number riddles. Logical intelligence is called logical intelligence. The third type, spatial intelligence. It is related to pictures. Spatial, picture, smart. Thinks in images and shapes. Example, good in drawing, maps, designs, visual imagination is strong. So through seeing and understanding the pictures, that's called spatial intelligence. Okay, good in drawing, maps, designs, visual imagination is strong. For example, a student who understand diagrams easily, that's called spatial intelligence. Fourth type, musical intelligence, special for music. Ability to understand rhythm, melody and sound. Understanding about a music related aspect. Example, singing, playing instruments, recognizing tunes easily. That's called musical intelligence. For example, a child who identifies a song after hearing 2 to 3 notes. That's called musical intelligence. Then fifth type, bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Body smart. Using body skillfully. It is related to your body, physical aspect. Example, sports, dance, acting, good hand-eye coordination. That's called body kinesthetic intelligence. For example, a student who understands concepts better through activities, bodily intelligence. Understanding through body activities. That's called bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Next, sixth type, interpersonal intelligence. Interpersonal, by people. Ability to understand others. Understanding about others. Good at teamwork. Communicates well. Helps and guides classmates. Example: a class monitor who resolves conflicts. That's called interpersonal intelligence. Solving some problems, conflicts. That's called interpersonal intelligence. Seventh one, intrapersonal intelligence. Self, about self, intrapersonal. Understanding one's own feelings, goals, strengths. For example, self-aware, sets goals, likes independent work. That's called intrapersonal intelligence. Example, a child who knows what he wants to become. Intrapersonal intelligence. Okay. Alert about self. So what to become? He's going to think about his future. So eighth and last type of intelligence, that's called naturalistic intelligence, related to nature. Ability to understand nature and environment. Okay, focusing on surrounding or environment. Okay, for example, loves plants, animals. Good in observing natural patterns. Example, a child who easily identifies animal species. Okay, species is animal species. Easily identifying. That's called example of a naturalistic intelligence. So here some study hints regarding Gardner's multiple intelligence. So intelligence, 8 types. 1 linguistic, 2 logical, 3 spatial, 4th musical, 5th bodily, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intrapersonal, 7 intrapersonal, 8th naturalistic. So linguistic for language, logical for reasoning, then spatial for pictures, musical sounds, bodily for movements, interpersonal for others, intrapersonal for self, naturalistic for others. Example, linguistic example, story writing, logical solve puzzles, spatial good drawing, musical singing, bodily sports or dance, interpersonal teamwork, intrapersonal self-awareness, naturalistic study of plants or animals. So these study hints about Howard Gardner theory. So conclusion, intelligence is multiple, not one. Okay, so according to Gardner, he indicated 8 types of multiple intelligences. It is not one, it is many more. That's called multiple intelligence. Second, each child has different combinations of intelligences. Then school should give varied activities to develop all intelligences. So we should provide varied different types of activities, because our intelligences have many domains or many areas. So as per intelligence types, we should provide different types of activities. For example, all-round development of students. Okay, in language, for the music, picture related, and other things. So should give right activities to develop all intelligences. All means 8 types. Then test should include projects, performance tasks, not only rote learning. Okay, tasks should include projects, performance tasks, not rote learning. 5th one, teachers should identify each child's strength, intelligence. Teachers should identify each child's strength, intelligence. Some questions, example, Gardner proposed G-factor, triarchic theory, multiple intelligence, IQ formula. So as per today's study, the right answer is the multiple intelligence. Check the answer, C, right. Then number smart refers to which intelligence? Linguistic, logical, mathematical, spatial, bodily. Answer is a B, logical, mathematical, number smart. Right answer, B. Next, a student good at drawing maps shows special intelligence, musical intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, interpersonal intelligence. Okay, good in drawing, it shows a spatial intelligence. Check the answer, yes, right. Then 4th, understanding one's own feelings is interpersonal, intrapersonal, spatial, and naturalistic. One's own feelings is right answer is intrapersonal. Check the answer, yes. 5th one, which intelligence is related to nature? This is a very simple question. Linguistic, logical, naturalistic, bodily. The right answer is a C. Check the answer is a C, right. So these are the few questions related to Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. I think all of you effectively understood about this theory. So those are participated in this my live session. So kindly subscribe my channel and also share to your friends this information. And thanks for your cooperation and joining in this live session.